What's popping YouTube? Welcome back
to Two Brother Vlogs.
ये एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं कि दूसरा डे है, but the same day. 2 मिनट के बाद we started it. And at the start, in the previous video, the start of the video, you saw me that I was like super dull. I'm back. I have a lot of energy. That's because मैं एक नया बाइक चलाया. And
Good.
right,
Okay, first, your small take on the V2. How does it look?
V2 looks exactly like the V4.
It is.
Except for the exhaust tips, exhaust thing.
Yeah.
If you go into minute details, you will probably know the difference. But I can.
The exhaust is different, but it looks like the older V4. Now the V4S, whatever is going to come now, is slightly different with the wings and all.
More video.
But when kal bostadu,
So Ducati, I mean not India, but Ducati worldwide. The main Ducati, they're actually pretty wise. They had the V4 design. It was clicked. It was released last year. वो same design निकाल के V2 बोल के निकाल दिए, and they bumped up the prices. They did not change anything. पूरा तो same ही है ना.
हाँ.
So उनको
959 engine, V4 का body.
V4 का body,
became
new
V2.
bike, and they bumped up the price.
Slightly, yes.
So
But it looks awesome. It sounds awesome. Still haven't ridden it. It's not on test ride, but when it's available, पक्का 100% Ducati test ride has to happen.
Yes.
And Srujan fell in love with the Scrambler. Both of us have ridden the Scrambler before. Srujan has ridden it the last video. We've seen him, right? And I've ridden it a few days ago, or not days, few months ago, and fell in love with that bike.
It's a good city bike.
Yeah.
It's a very good city bike. See, if I plan to take it, I'll have to sell the Street Triple. Otherwise, मुझे नहीं आएगा. And the finances भी नहीं है. But again, I'm in two minds. I don't want to sell the Street Triple. I don't want to take another bike right now. थोड़ी देर wait कर सकते हैं. There's like no hurry and all.
Tell him no.
But in back of my mind, वो थोड़ा लगाव चला गया, थोड़ा उतर गया Street Triple के ऊपर. If there's a ride, I will hop on the Africa Twin for sure. And if it is a Street Triple, I'll think twice about नहीं यार Africa Twin पे और मजा आता था. I don't know क्या हुआ. I'm starting to love the twin cylinders, be it the engine sound or the character of the bikes. But देखेंगे.
यार अगर वो हो गया, अगर if you're whenever going, I think who else has a Triumph in our?
Dude, अपना पुराना घर. Triumph. We are like not even going inside the house.
Yeah, no. Abhi, how many Triumphs are left in our group?
Sriman's Tiger.
You, me.
That's it.
That's it.
We are like 7 or 8 Triumphs, but
we are down to 3 in our group
Triumphs.
now.
You will definitely keep the Truxton.
Yeah.
For sure. I'm already iffy about the Street Triple. अभी नहीं तो future में तो बेच सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
Sriman अगर लेगा तो पक्का Tiger बेच के ही लेगा if he takes an adventure tourer.
हाँ.
So
I'll become the only Triumph owner in the future. 90%. Yeah. People have already upgraded beyond Triumph.
But there's one good trend which we set. Except us and Sriman कैसे भी अभी तक नया खरीदा नहीं है. And except us and Sriman, everyone have jumped to BMW.
हाँ.
We both of us are the only two people who went into different paths. I mean, I've taken the Africa, I've taken the
Ducati.
So that's good.
Yeah, you should have diversity in your group. ना सबको same bike रहा तो it's for fun. Now that we have different bikes, everybody can ride each other's bikes once in a while and have fun.
There are two.
That looks good, no? The new city.
From पीछे से it looks चुनकू.
It looks BMW रे पीछे से. It looks 3 Series पीछे से.
3 Series move wider.
Obviously.
Talking about BMW, we are heading towards the BMW Motorrad showroom to
check out the
rock and roll
R18.
And definitely that bike will not suit us. It's like huge. इतना Creta के 3/4 के इतना होगा bike. इतना होगा. Yeah, pretty much. इतना होगा.
Yeah.
And
because it's a boxer engine, that to an 1800cc boxer engine at that. So it's a huge bike and it's long as well. It is like it is almost as long as a Nano length mein.
Yeah.
Like seriously.
I've already seen the pics. I made my assumption regarding the bike, but in person तो थोड़ा अलग ही दिखेगा.
हाँ.
I'm pretty sure वो बाइक टेस्ट ड्राइव को अवेलेबल नहीं देंगे. And देखेंगे, दिखाएंगे.
और उसके बाद घर भाग जाएंगे.
It's Saturday night, bro, and you'll be home.
I'll be home studying. This fellow is having some party plans.
No party plans. I need to work out. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I started working out. अभी थोड़ा seriously लूँगा, but not like श्रीमान सिर्फ डाइट करना ये करना. But yeah, I'm starting to work out. देखेंगे कितना होगा. अच्छा बनना है. I need to look good.
क्यों शादी आ रहा है क्या?
Look good. Sorry.
शादी आ रहा है क्या? Look good क्यों?
अरे
अरे see, I don't know इसका शादी कब है क्या है, but everybody is saying सृजन का शादी होने वाला है. तो I don't know people, if you know, tell me. Tell him also. బల్లులు ఉంటాయి కదరా లోపల. అరే కిషోర్, బల్లెలకి భయపడితే ఎట్లారా? నువ్వు ఇంత ఉన్నావు, అదంత ఉంది. నీ బొందరా, నీ బొంద ఇంత అయినా బల్లెలు భయపడితే ఎట్లారా నువ్వు?
Some CM PM कोई भी जा रहा है. Look at that. Radar jammers, signal jammers, ambulance, police vans. I don't know why I at times hate that political, convoy. सबको भगा दे के जाता है.
हाँ.
I guess they're busy building the city, but whatever. Oh, alright. Why? Good God, Saturdays. It's a brand new R8 without any registration. And even that GT3 AMG or whatever, even that car didn't have any registration on it. We need to do a lot of shooting, we need to do a lot of editing. उसके बाद भी बहुत busy है. Whenever possibility है, both of us will edit and upload the videos as soon as possible.
अब वहाँ पे रख सकते हैं ना? चलो now we are just going to a small place called Funnel Hill Creamery. I love the cheesecake here.
We're going to grab something to eat.
Yeah. Srujan was not satisfied with his lunch, तो वो खा लेके भाग जाएंगे BMW. Till the next, we'll come back 20 minutes at BMW. Dude, we are super late for everything.
We thought we'll eat only for 20 minutes. बीच में कोई और मिल गया था. And late हो गया.
अभी we are reaching the Ducati World of BMW showroom. I hope rush ना हो रहे, अपन रहेंगे तो मज़ा आ जाएगा.
कोई है तो है. This ramp is like scary, dude. Oh fuck! I can already see it's as long as this crate. Okay, the thing is we cannot talk inside because BMW people are playing some music and copyright issue के वजह से we have to come out and talk. Bike तो देख लिए. We will not.
बैठे नहीं अभी तक. बैठने वाले हैं.
We have the key and we came out of the showroom. Why did you take the camera from my hand?
Because you're not putting it far. I was not coming in the frame. तो पकड़ ऐसे.
पकड़ ले.
हाँ.
बाइक बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा है. We will show the video, but ऑडियो शायद बहुत कट हो जाएगा. And exhaust note के टाइम पे we'll show you. We'll keep the audio and we'll come back and talk over the bike. I'm nervous. Oh shit! क्या हुआ? Handle पर भी कर.
Okay, did you guys actually freaking see that? The bike rocks, and the reason for that is this engine is a boxer. I'll do it. And let me feel it. Okay, guys, just look at him. Let it rock again. Start. So, again, as I told you, this is a boxer. The engine firing happens one cylinder at a time. So this one fires first. That is why it rocks on that side. Freaking awesome. It's freaking fun, dude. Yele, hold.
Dude,
What is the feeling?
royal.
It doesn't feel heavy.
No, not at all.
Just 345 मगर फील नहीं
Just मत बोल, ठीक है वो फिगर मत कुछ भी बोल, just मत बोल.
Rev it a bit. You feel the space.
You can actually feel it only.
The bike is big. The bike is huge.
It is literally, forget nano. That was what I told you guys right before going there. It is very big. It is as long as the Creta.
It has a lot of presence. The bike weighs 340 kgs according to the showroom guys. It's like super high, but it is actually manageable because the seat height is very low.
But once you put one leg up, not both the feet on the ground, you'll know the weight of it.
Yes, I did it. I felt it. Like, okay, it was rocking, and the bike rocks. Okay, it actually rocks because
You've seen the startup, right? It is.
okay, it's not a everyday bike. It's like a showpiece. And 20 or 30 years down the line, I'm pretty sure the bike value appreciates. Don't you think?
I don't know, Ray. You can't know.
जो भी
Ray.
है, but it has that always.
जो भी है.
It has a charming look. And there are few bits which I didn't like about the bike. I mean, it is designed like that, but
Again, looks
style,
perspective, each person has
होता
their
है.
own.
Style
yeah.
is.
So
style change
both of
because-
us didn't like the exhaust. Not
And
the
the
exhaust
tail.
note, the exhaust shape.
And the indicator lights, पीछे का. Indicators and the tail lights are integrated, right?
Huh.
So
That's like the design language of all the new BMWs.
Yeah.
I personally didn't like them. Even in the S1000RR, the new one,
Yeah.
similar lights. I didn't like it.
So
इसमें भी वैसे ही है.
unfortunately, you cannot get a test drive bike of the R18. You cannot test drive it. You just have to look at the bike. You're like, this is the bike. You have to feel that, and directly they don't. I'm guessing it'll be somewhere on 27 or 28.
Yeah.
And it's a showpiece. And this bike which you're seeing is actually the first edition. First edition where you have those bling. You have those bling chrome bits, a lot of chrome bits, and trust me, showroom में देखने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. But the minute you roll it out of the showroom and go to your place, खत्म.
It's a lot of crook. Unfortunately, our roads, our conditions are a little difficult to maintain such a bike. It might be a very beautiful bike. It might be the most amazing looking or whatever, but it's got a little too much of chrome. And the bottom half of the bike, that is the problem which I have.
And you actually have to hire someone and
To clean the bike every day.
every day. Yeah. And you
Every
have
hour.
You have to put the bike inside your house. बाहर नहीं लगा सकते उसको. Into it, you क्या घुमाया यार. And people who are into bling वाले bikes, that is.
Or into cruisers, that
You want a showpiece kind of a bike. You want to show off. This is the bike to go for.
show off.
Show off is not a bad thing, dude.
Obviously.
it's a good thing.
Yeah, but no, I'm just thinking whether it's a wrapped phrase for that. Yeah, possibly. It is not practical for our kind of
The ground
environment.
clearance is super low.
It is itna.
It's a looker.
It is definitely a looker. Anyways, guys. Chalo then, please keep liking, sharing, loving all our videos. Thank you very much for all the
And,
response.
So until next time, peace, boys.
Bye. Love you all. Take care.